Hi guys, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and my name is Amy. Today we are going to be looking at my nasty old craft room, and we're going to do some spring cleaning. So I'm going to take you around the room, see what a mess it is, and then go ahead and start cleaning it up. Now this is going to have to be a two-part video. This part is going to be, the one that you're going to see today is me getting it organized and put together, and then hopefully next week you'll have the finished project or product, and we can go on to doing regular crafting videos. The problem is I just can't function in this room right now, so I have to do something about it. So that's what's going on now. So let me go ahead and show you around. That is jewelry pieces and different items that I can use to craft with. As you see here, that one right there has a bunch of cutters and letters to use in clay and different things like that. And then over here in the corner is where I usually store my wrapping paper and things for parties, things like that. Right here I've got a bunch of flowers and a box of anything and everything put in that box. That I would like to clean up too. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but there it is. In these drawers of this desk, I have my stuff for my clay over here, and then down here in this drawer or little cabinet, that is where I put all my different types of paper to do journals with, and then just storage down there for different things. As you can see, it's a big mess. I've got this little closet here. It's full of yarn. Let me get you closer. Hold on. Okay, so here is my yarn collection. So I use this closet for my yarn. I've received yarn from numerous people, and I try to create all kinds of things with it. Blankets. One of my videos I made a toilet paper yarn doll, used the yarn for the hair. I have made bookmarks from the little smaller yarn here, but yeah, scarves, hats. And then up here I've also made a wig out of yarn. Again, another thing that I learned from Pins and Things and various other videos, but mainly her. She had a good idea on what to use. But so I came up with how I wanted to do this yarn wig. And this was for a Rapunzel costume that I made one year for work. And I think it turned out pretty good. I think if I were to do it again, I would have put the part on the side instead of in the middle, but oh well. I think it still turned out pretty good. And it is really long. If I can remember, I'll put a picture of me wearing it. There it goes. Anyways, it is really, really long. I think it touched the floor when I had it on me. Okay, so moving on. Now this is the place. This area is the messiest of all messes right through here. This is the place that I've been working at for the past several weeks. As you can see, a total wreck. I need to clean it up, and that's what I plan on doing today. I've been making journals for some friends at work, and just, you know, trying to get it done. And in the process of trying to get it done, I'm not putting things away, and so it keeps building up and building up. Well, I can't handle it anymore. I have to clean this mess up. It's ridiculous. So, oh, and right here I've got a bunch of fabrics things that I need to sew and fix because they're ripped or the buttons have come off or whatever it may be. Also, some of this is stuff that I've inherited that I need to do something with. And then all this mess right here is cardboard that I would like to do some crafts with. And I have to tell you, that is a thing that my family is like, Mom, stop trying to collect all of that cardboard. You don't need it. But I do need it for what I'm wanting to do, and so that's why it's there. But I do need to find a better place to put it, or a better way to store it, because it looks horrible. So there you have it. That is my craft room. Right here in the middle, let me get back here, my ironing board. It's full of stuff. So I need to vacuum, I need to dust, I need to put things away, I need to find places for things, and go from there. So I'm going to get started now. Okay guys, it's been several hours, and I know you can't tell I've done a whole lot. I mean, the floor is actually cleaned off now, so that's good. I'm actually switching over. I'm gonna make this desk here all sewing and ribbons. This desk is going to be a variety of things. It's going to be making my journals, doing my art, doing clay, and any other craft that I might have up my sleeve. So that's what that is. And so I just haven't gotten over there a whole lot. I started doing this area here, but couldn't get very far. I did clean out a whole lot, threw away a whole bunch of stuff. This is all cleaned up right through here. Most likely it's going to change again, but right now it's just, I'm just trying to find a place for it and to have it look nice and neat so I can concentrate on my art. That was moved over from over there to over here, so that my clay and everything could be near this table, and my oven and all that. This thing up here still not been touched, but I did work on the drawers on that part of it. But otherwise, yeah, I'm not going to go the other way because it's still a horrible mess. But here's this. That's cleaned up a little bit. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to figure that out. But that's it. So I didn't get as far as I had wanted, but so hopefully next week you guys will see something a whole lot better. So if you guys like this video, please like and share, and if you haven't already, if you would please go ahead and subscribe, and then also click the notification bell, and that will give you a notification of when I have my next video up. Alright guys, hopefully next week we will have a finished product here and we can start doing some more crafty stuff. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye!